This screwdriver right here, it has no battery, but when I touch it right here with my finger, it lights up. Why does this happen, and why do electricians always touch this screwdriver with a finger right here? This tool is called voltage tester screwdriver. Some people call it phase tester, some people call it a test pen. It's used to check if a wire or terminal is live, meaning if there's electricity present. But very important, this thing does not measure the voltage. It only measures if there's a current in here or not. So let's simply test it. Like, you have two holes right here, and when you put a screwdriver right in there, nothing lights up there. If you put a screwdriver in a second hole, nothing lights up there. But if I put it in the first hole, touch it with my finger, nothing. If I put it in the second hole, touch it with my finger, it lights up. Clearly, my finger matters here. Now, let me explain how exactly this works. Your body, it basically becomes the part of the circuit. When I touch this metal tip right here, the small amount of current wants to flow through the screwdriver. That current goes through this metal tip right here, it goes through the resistor inside of the screwdriver, and then it goes all the way through my body to the ground. And pay attention, this current is extremely small, it's like in microamps, so it's totally safe, but it's enough to make this light turn on. But the question is, why does this light turns on? Well, inside of every screwdriver you have this small neon lamp, and when electricity runs through a gas inside of this neon lamp, it lights up. You don't need battery, you don't need electronics, it's simple physics. It's very simple, but it's very clever also. So let's open one up just to see what's inside of it. And you have different variants of this voltage tester screwdriver. Some of them are impossible to open up. Yes, you can, but using a hammer and to break it in pieces. But you can find variants that are very easily to open. You just have to unscrew this cap right here, and be careful, there's one spring inside of it, so if you open it too fast the spring can fall out. And as you can see, you don't have a lot of pieces right there. You have the body of a screwdriver with metal tip, you have this resistor and neon lamp all in once, you have a spring that keeps everything connected to a metal cap that we touch with our finger. Now, it's very important to understand that this tool is not perfect. It can give false readings, it can light up from induced voltage, so it's definitely not reliable in every situation. So professional rule, use it just for a quick check, but always confirm everything with, for example, I have this digital multimeter. It's very good to actually measure the strength of current in live wire. This tool, it's basically great for if you want to do quick checks, if you want to identify what's phase, and for basic do-it-yourself work, and it's great for beginners to learn about electricity. So if you're working with any kind of wires and you are not sure which one is the live wire and which one is the neutral, carry this tool around with you. You can easily avoid being electrocuted with just one quick check. I hope that you understand this screwdriver a little bit better now. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments, and if you want to see how I use this tester to connect these connectors to a live wire, then check out this video right here. It's kind of important which wire you connect first. You don't want to be tased by that electricity, so make sure to check it out. Thank you guys for watching this video with me, and I will see you in the next one. Ciao!